Welcome to Maths Genius Worldwide YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about algebraic formulas. So, though all the students knows the formulas, but students are lacking to categorize the formulas. Today, I'm going to help you how to categorize algebraic formulas and learn so that it becomes very easier. Algebraic formula expanded form: a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is expanded form. Factorized form: a plus b whole square is equal to a plus b times a plus b. A minus b whole square is equal to a minus b times a minus b. Here we have to keep in mind that something square of something means that is repeated two times. A minus b whole square means a minus b is repeated two times. Factorized form of a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Expanded form of a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab or a minus b whole square plus 2ab. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Likewise, a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Expanded form of a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab a plus b. Expanded form of a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b whole cube plus 3ab times a minus b. Factorized form of a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b a square minus ab plus b square. A cube minus b cube, factorized form of a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. So here is one confusion, that which formula to use. Here is also in expanded form also a cube plus b cube, and in factorized form also a cube plus b cube. So students, they know the formula, but in examination or while solving the questions from the exercise, they become confused which formula to use. So students, when you are going to factorize the certain particular terms, then you have to always remember factorized form formula you have to use. In previous slide also we have discussed factorized form formulas. So to find the factors or the questions related to SCF, highest common factor, related to LCM, lowest common multiples, in that case you have to always use the factorized form. And this expanded form formula, when there is questions related to simplify or to find the values, certain like a plus b value, a minus b value will be given, like value of the a plus b, a minus b if given, in that case you have to use the expanded form. I think it's clear to all the students, all the observer, or those who are watching videos. I think it's clear. Expanded form formula you have to use to find the values, where there will be given a plus b and ab, values of the a plus b and ab will be given. If it is a reciprocal form, a cube plus b cube can be given in the reciprocal form, then in that case value of the a plus b or value of the a minus b, or in place of a and b it can be other variables will be given. Then you have to apply these formulas if you have to find the values. But when you need to factorize, you have to always remember to use the factorized form. And I would like to summarize all the formulas over here. So now students, you can read yourself. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A plus b whole square is equal to a plus b, a plus b. A minus b whole square is equal to a minus b, a minus b. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. A square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab or a minus b whole square plus 2ab. So here a square plus b square has two formulas. So you need to be very careful on this, because if the value of a plus b given, use this formula, plus 1 formula. Okay, this one. If minus a minus b value of the a minus b given, then you have to use this formula. Don't be confused. So a square plus b square has got two formulas, but you will use only that formula. What is the condition given? If value of a plus b given, use this formula. If the value of a minus b given, this formula. But when in the case of factorization, so you see the scenario and the condition in the question, and then accordingly use it. Either you can get the factors or not. Okay. And a plus b whole cube formula expanded from a cube plus 3 square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, expanded form of a minus b whole cube, a cube minus 3 square b plus 3ab square minus b cube, a cube plus b cube. This is also again expanded from a plus b whole cube minus 3ab a plus b, and a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b whole cube plus 3ab a minus b. And factorized form of a cube plus b cube, a plus b a square minus ab plus b square, a cube minus b cube a minus b a square plus ab plus b square. So these all the formulas I have summarized. So students, after watching this video, you please write the some formulas whatever you learned in the comment box. So I will know that you are learning formulas and you know the formula. You please do not forget to write the formulas in the comment box. Thank you. Thank you for watching video. Please like and subscribe the channel to watch upcoming mathematical videos. So once again, I would like to thank you.